Abby, you gonna crawl? Huh? What are you gonna do? Oh, you gonna pull up? Is that what you're gonna do? You gonna get something? Now this is supposed to be you crawling, not you pulling up. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. You don't even know what to do with yourself, do you? Huh? You're big. You're big. What are you gonna do now? You gonna see what's in that basket? Do you know how to get down, honey? You need some help? You're standing so well. Yeah. You want Mommy to help you? Huh? Mommy help you get down? Hey. It's okay. It's okay. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Let's sit down. Let's sit down. Oh. Oh. Oh.